Ulam phang ka yeng do bang thawai ka jala ba met ba ling do haring kat bat ka Emily ka East Shillong Dr. M Amprin ling do kila lek bani don lang ha ka Women's College ya ka jingple pai ba ya ka jingrakhi ya ka jala megalia jong ka jingdap sanpos number yo ya ka jala haring kat ka jite lang bat ka Avenue Shillong hadien jong kani labut bat sada ka megalia entrepreneurship conclave arajar arpuar ha ka ba ka jingathir la panlong halok phang padeng entrepreneurship and the road ahead megalia's next 50 Nakaliang ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo kala ajingro ya ka Women College ka bala penlong ya ka humkani ka jingata ba ka jingathir ka bala pauru ya ka jingman ba kilong kumi hapo ka jala meglia ru kila pau hakum kita kinong sengkam na jong.
So I'm happy to see that Meghalaya has seen the capacity and the capability of women to also excel in entrepreneurship. I'm particularly very delighted to see that two of the panelists are also women. I'm so proud of the two of you who are going to be here to tell women folk in this institution that even women can excel in businesses of different kinds. If you look into some of the ordinary entrepreneurship engagements around you in any city, in any street, whether in Shillong or any other city or smaller village across the state of Meghalaya, it is actually women who are the most successful. Every koi shop that you see is run by a woman. Most of the vendors that you see on the street are also women. In my constituency particularly, I am so proud to see the kind of thriving businesses around my constituency, which are predominantly managed, financed, and engaged by women.
Habakren kum kongsan ba met ba ling do luong ba kayo ka kot hakinong kondong la don kam ya ka jingkersan nak banta kinong seng kam la jong kibadang rit habaro kaliang jong ka jiyo ka kot bat kinong seng kam la jong hakitai nong kondong haki babun kiliang shushu na kaliang jong ba met ba ulapan menaru ba kum shibanta jong ka jingrakhi ya ka jingdap san pos nem jong ka jala unsa khot ya baro kibadan manta ha ka jiki banyo ya ka jala la jong nak banta ka jingatai halo ka jiyanti jong ka jinyo ya ka jala megalia.
Where I'll be inviting all those volunteers and those freedom fighters who fought for the state to have a kind of discussion where most of the people of the state and the people of outside the state as well should know how the state of Meghalaya has been formed. The state of Meghalaya also applies for better employment opportunities, facilities for higher education and quality standard of living. So, in that context, there is an immediate need. There is an immediate need to design and implement grassroots interventions in a way that ensures next generation youth engage and scale this in a substantial manner. In our state of Meghalaya, the rural economy needs the support, growth of micro enterprises in all the livelihood opportunities are available within the rural clusters only. Quality services and products through the micro enterprises could be provided to the community, along with the ensuring good products from rural areas reach the urban geographic fields. Another part which is very important, which I would like to stress here, is that upskilling the rural youth and encouraging them to become entrepreneurs is very, very important. And the value change will bring in more meaningful results and subsequently financial inclusion may prove to be a key to unlocking the potential for micro and small enterprises to grow. Reducing the vulnerabilities of rural communities to income shocks and promoting more sustainable and equitable developments. Again, rural entrepreneurships can address many socio-economic challenges through easy access and secure access to patient capital and employment growth, improved standard of living, reduction of population migration. Because as you have seen now, there are a lot of migration which are taking place from rural areas to the urban areas. Why? Because these opportunities are not there in the rural areas. The focus is always there within the urban areas. So therefore, today I'm stressing on the rural connect with the urban, and where we can provide them the platform in the rural areas which are available in the urban areas as well.